Natural gas last week delivered a very good bullish move, hitting the highs at 3.1516 levels. At this point, I have mentioned a double bottom is done and gas is looking forward to top here. What it has done, it has hit the top, and it appears there is a bigger gap which is left to be filled, though there are many gaps which are yet to be filled by gas on the upside as well since long now. So what to expect? Can we expect net gas to continue trading in this bullish channel? Can we expect it to trade above 3.2, 3.24? Remember, I have been sharing this that once net gas trades above 3.2, 3.24, we are looking forward to the range at 3.5, 3.6. Is it going to come in the coming week, or we have to wait first drop then rise? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week and for the month of November? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We will do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits and trade with confidence. And I do share my twice a day updates which nowhere in the world you get for natural gas. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, and I give logical levels for you to take a trade and trade with confidence. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And now watch till the end. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hour charts. Look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now see, again, this is a very good bullish channel, higher lows and higher highs here. Now hitting the lows or bottom of the channel, it is now trying to bounce back, and now we will wait for it to stay above 3.14, 3.16, and then 3.24, because once it breaks out here, it is going to shoot towards the moon. Right now what I can see here is a box which it has to come out of. So this is one point. Let's have a look at the indicators as well on the 4-hour. See, first of all, price is retraced towards the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, taking the support from the 100 period. It is bouncing back, but getting a bit of resistance from the median of the Bollinger Bands. And thus, first it has to trade above 3.0406 and then specifically above 3.1. So yes, there are greater resistances available for net gas as long as it stays below 3.1416 zone. And once it trades above that, you can just definitely look forward to 3.2, 3.24, and then sky. Yes, it can rise here strongly. The moving averages are still bullish. Stochastic has come down to overbought zone here again after hitting the lows, and thus at this point you have to watch out with caution. Look at the MACD after retracing, trading with divergence. It is now starting to converge, which is a good sign for the bulls, where it can try to again take the prices towards the highs. The RSI is rising, again a very good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, just look at the formation here. Let me draw, just this is a very broader picture, so look at the formation here. And now it appears sooner or later it has to give a breakout, and that is why I am confident that once it trades about 3.2, 3.24, we are looking forward to a greater rise. What has happened in the last trading session or the last week specifically? See, it has got its resistance intact at around 3.1416. It has retraced towards 20 period, taking the support from the 20 period, again showing a rise. Now once it breaks out in the coming week above 3.1416, you can expect a round of rise towards 3.2, 3.24. And staying above 3.24, just stay bullish, 3.3, 3.36, 3.45, 3.5, and higher levels. Yes, a stronger rise once it comes out of this box is anticipated, which is going to take it towards the moon. This could be the beginning of the rally here. Another point to note here is, what I am just being cautious here is the gap it is left here till towards 2.75. This is one point which is I am being wary of, I am being cautious of. So if it trades below 2.9 again, if you see it trading below 2.9, chances will be high that 2.85, 2.8, and 2.75 will be seen here. But if you look at the formation, moving averages are looking upwards. The stochastic, after hitting the overbought zone, it's now looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. While the MACD, look at the MACD. See, when you see the MACD, look at the rise, the retracement, forming double bottom, a crossover. This indicates that natural gas has lot much of room available on the upside. RSI is also looking upwards here. Coming to the week, Now on the weekly charts, important thing to note here is where the preceding week has closed. Now see, closing of the week is at the levels where we have seen a lot much of a struggle in natural gas. Last multiple times we have seen net gas closing below 3.05, which is a definitely critical resistance levels for now. Second thing here is the crossover in the moving average, and this crossover is coming after a long time on the weekly charts. Now the bullish crossover, see, this was the bearish cross which we had seen in the beginning of year 2023. And any crossover, when you talk about, see, this was though a bearish cross, now it is crossing over here after almost 2 years. This is first point. Next, last time when did we saw the bullish cross here? This was post COVID, and so it takes a 2 year cycle for it to hit the highs, and now after a 2 years bearish cycle it is again crossing over here on the buy side. This is a very important phenomena here which you should be cautious of. This clearly indicates what could be expected from the net gas in the near term or the mid term and in the year 2025. So now the support at 2.6 and 2.5, I have been sharing this again and again. I have been mentioning this since last few weeks. As long as natural gas respects 2.6 and in fact 2.4 and 2.5, do not treat this as bearish. Very clear. Now see, last week what has happened? It has delivered a massive gap up, and this gap is still left here. Now it is possible that it can deliver another gap up in the coming week and then give a breakout here, which is going to take it towards the highs. 3.2, 3.24, once it takes away 3.5, 3.6 zone should be seen, and beyond that we are looking forward to 4, 4.4 very soon. Stochastic has dropped here. Look at the MACD. The MACD is now trading with divergence looking upwards. If you look at MACD, see the sharp decline here, the retracement, and since then it is trading in a waves and now ready for a breakout here. The RSI is looking upwards, which is also a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the monthly charts. Now, when you look at the monthly charts and when you look at the picture here, you will find drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now, if you just tilt this and see this as a double bottom with an inclined plane, you can find out it has to just break beyond this zone, which is right now at around 3.2, 3.24, and then 3.5. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater up move in gas prices in the near future, and I have been highlighting this since long now. So in sum, it appears till 2.5, you should not be treating this as bearish. Now see what has happened on the monthly charts here is so far slightly higher highs and slightly lower lows. Now this zone is indeed a very good support, and now once it breaks out beyond 3.2, 3.24, remember we are looking forward to 3.4, 3.5, and in fact 3.6 levels very soon. Look at the formation here. Higher lows here, higher highs here, aiming towards 3.6 at least, and beyond this 4, 4.4 levels to be seen there. Now when you talk about gap, look at this gap. It is left there since last couple of years. Stochastic rising, the MACD, look at the MACD. What has happened after 2 years? See, first of all, when we talk about a bullish cross, it took 2 years and it has stayed bullish. It has stayed bearish for the 2 years after this bearish cross, and now after 2 years it is now looking upward. So I think, and see, it is coming at an extremely lower levels. It suggests that natural gas in the near is going to shoot towards the moon. The RSI has also seen a little rise. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy here. See, if you see it is staying above 3.05 levels, initiate a buying entry here. Expect 3.08, 3.1 as the first target zone, very, very good resistance. Then 3.15 as the next. And if it stays above this, I will be looking forward to 3.2 and 3.24. Remember, once it breaks out this zone, natural gas is looking forward to the moon. At least 3.4 has to be there here. Though I'll take the first target as 3.31, 3.36 next, 3.42 next, and then 3.5 levels will appear. Beyond this, we are also looking at 3.6 very, very, very soon. And remember, this is going to be the first such move. In the coming month, we may see another strong move taking the gas towards $4 levels. Possibility is very high. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.995, expect 2.975, 2.94, and then 2.9. Now once it drops below 2.9, that is the point of time we can see more bears out here. 2.86, 2.8. Now remember, we have a gap till 2.75. Now this is the point at which it is going to get maximum support, and if it drops below this, then 2.7. I do not see it breaking below 2.7, but yes, if it does, you can expect 2.6 to 2.6, which at least it should not break. Breaking below which it is going to doom, it is going to crash, and uh, I'll see the next levels at 2.5, which is a very, very, very good support. It should not break any point of time today, tomorrow, near future. I do not see it breaking this. I expect that even if it has to, or if it even if it drops towards 2.7, 2.8, that will be another opportunity for us to accumulate more of natural gas for the near future. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships on YouTube to support them. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates, which are very crucial for your day trading decisions. Do watch it. Do join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profit.